See, the cushions are pretty nice. They got this stuff on one side and royal stuff on the other. They're not interchangeable. I thought they were. Okay.
In this video, we're going to be working on the cushions, the curtains, and a few little odds and ends here and there. Hello, everybody. I am coming at you from inside the trailer. I have been working on a little project with the cushions for the seats. I've been working on that, and I just finished the first piece of it. Let me show you. Okay, all right, first, this is the original covers for the seat on this side. This is what it looks like now. This is the new seat cushion covers right here. I just finished it. It's not bad. Okay, I have been working on the cushions, doing the covers for the cushions. I got all of them done except for this one here. Okay, so I just cut the material for the cushion. Now, this is going to be tight enough as it is with the cushion itself, so I am going to have to do a slight change on that. Very funny. Hi, Aaron.
Hi.
Okay, in order to make this work, I have this pillow. It is the full length of this cushion, so I just have to cut it down the line. And Spencer, I'm sorry. We'll get you a new pillow. I had to get yours. We'll get you a new one. I'm sorry. So, it's the best that we could find. When you come back down to visit, we'll get you a new one. So, while I cut this, Aaron has got somebody out there who is not very far away that lives in town welding some stuff for the trailer. So, maybe he can record something so you guys can see what's going on out there. Good morning, everybody. This morning, what I'm going to attempt to try to do is put the screen piece on the door, because the one that was on the door was all ripped up and coming out, and so we're going to try to fix that today. So I got the kit for it, this right here, the spline, the screen spline right here, and I got the roller right here, so we're gonna attempt to put the screen back on the door. Okay, I'm pretty sure that I got the screen cut to length to fit over the door, so see, it would go over the door like so. Now I just got to go on the outside with the spline and put it up. So And I'm sorry I can't hold the camera and do that at the same time, so I will show you the after effect. Alright, there it is. The screen is up. Took a bit, but there it is. Alrighty. So Aaron's sitting over on the other side of me, and he has his very own little ANG mug. And if you want to help support our channel, and so we can get this trailer up in the mountains, go ahead and go get yourself an ANG mug.
They're great camping mugs.
And if you look right there, those are our curtains that we're going to have in the trailer here. They're lemon print, and we're gonna work on them to get them to fit in here and everything and make them look nice. Right?
Yeah, the we in that is you.
True. Is there a mouse in my pocket again?
I don't know.
All right. Hey everybody, just wanted to pop in and say that if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want to see a part of the build of the trailer, say like putting in the floor, you can click on this link over here somewhere and you can check it out, or say the part where we're doing the electrical, you can click on this link over here. So
thank you so much
thank you so much for watching our video, and I hope you like it.